A driverless Waymo car made an illegal U-turn to avoid the police, which was there to control drivers for consumption of alcohol or drugs.
Yeah. So
So basically, it was pulled over by police in San Bruno, which I think is San Francisco. I think the Waymo cars only exist in San Francisco, which made it an illegal U-turn. Now, it's suspected, it's not, we can't find this out, but it's suspected that there was a DUI checkpoint, which is where police just stop and just check that you're not high or drunk. That it picked it up on the GPS or something like that, and it just made a U-turn to kind of avoid it. But that's all speculation at this point. The
this is
issue,
a driverless car.
exactly right. So the issue is that when they eventually caught up, because they saw it making this U-turn, they caught up with a car. There's no one to find to it was just I don't know whether the car was empty. Actually, it might have been empty. I'm not too sure. But the point is, the driver's seat was empty. No person made that U-turn. So they've got no one to find. And it sort of revealed this loophole in the law, a regulatory loophole that prevents officers from actually citing a driverless car for traffic violations, which is bonkers. And it's, in this instance, we're talking about just an illegal U-turn, but in instances where it's murdered someone, let's say, or if it's hurt someone, who are we to blame? This is just the bottom of or top of iceberg. Do you know what I mean? When it comes to these problems that might encounter with these AI powered cars. And like I say, leaves this gray area, leaving officers powerless because they just can't do anything. You just got to let it do its thing. I wonder how they stopped it.
I think they have these driverless cars have protocols when they see police to stop or to know and stop. I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know how did they. But as you said, it might be because if the AI is trained on human and human try to kind of avoid police if they see them, maybe the AI just kind of learns this by default to try to avoid police if they can, even if
The popos, take cover.
Yeah, slow down when you see the police. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, I don't know. It's crazy, but quite funny either way. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.